everyone, welcome to DIY Everything. So I'm wondering if you guys remember Ariel from one of my previous videos, the doll lunchbox, the DIY doll lunchbox. And if you don't, that's totally okay. And if you not watched that video, that's also totally okay. This is Ariel. If you don't know her, she's my American Girl doll, and she actually has a sister whose name is Lily. And she's not an American Girl doll, Lily, but my grandma made her for me. But they're sisters. And today we are going to be unboxing the American Girl Truly Me Spaghetti Dinner Set. So, let's get started. Ariel and Lily are here to help me. Oh, I'm holding her upside down. Ariel and Lily are here to help me open it. So let's get started. Hey Lily, are you excited to open it? Yeah, Ariel, are you? Totes. Now let's open. Let's get unboxing. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it, but Ariel and Lily, they're going to be sitting here on the side. You guys probably won't be able to see them, but Lily's there, and Ariel's there. So they are sitting there, and we are going to unbox this. Woohoo! So they're sitting there, and we're unboxing now. So I'm going to be using a pair of scissors. These aren't kid scissors, but so what? Okay, so first I'm going to cut here. Now, I can probably open this without cutting anymore, I think. I'm not sure. Nope, I have to cut, I think. I'm not sure. It opened. OMG! OMG, it's so adorable on the inside. Oh, there's like so many. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, let me dump this out first. Hey, what's this? There's a card. It says, gather around the table. Use these conversation starters at your next meal to learn unexpected facts about your family. Cool. Let's read the ones on the inside. Dinner is the perfect time to share delicious food and fun conversations too. Ask these questions at the dinner table to start some great ones. What was your favorite thing that happened today? Your least favorite thing? If the dog could talk, what would it say? If you had your human body but an animal head, which animal would you choose and why? If you could swap lives with anyone at the table for one day, who would it be? Why? Describe yourself using only 3 words. If you could turn invisible, what would you do? Choose someone at the table. What song best describes that person's day? What is the hardest you've ever laughed? What were you laughing at? Imagine you woke up as the principal of your school tomorrow. What would you do first? If you were an inventor at a toy company, what toy would you invent? Would you rather live in a house with trampolines or a swimming pool for floors? Oh, okay, I get that one. I was like, what? I get it. So if you could invent a new holiday, what would it be? Would you rather be a pigeon that thinks it's a mare, or a mare who thinks she's a pigeon? That one's funny. Would you rather have a rewind button or a pause button on your life? I'd rather have none probably, but whatever. Oh, and on the back there's this thing that says check out American Girl books to grow into the best you can be. There's these like smart girls guidebooks. And on this side, there's this cute little photo. Now, let's open everything else. There's so much cute stuff. Oh, there's a cheese grater. Look at that, a little cheese grater. Oh, that's adorable. A cheese grater. Oh, cheese grater. And then there's cheese. Oh, the cheese. Look at the cheese. The cheese is so cute. Oh, I love the cheese. Or you can see it. Oh, there's this spatula too. Oh, the spatula is so cute. I love the spatula. Oh, and there's 3 spaghettis. See, there's 3 pieces of spaghetti. 1, 2, 3, and there's meatballs. Oh, and there's some napkins. Ooh, and salad. Oh, guys, look, a little pot. Except I think they put the top on backwards. See that? And then there's some plates. Woohoo! Plates. And then there's 2 little pieces of garlic bread. There's 2 pieces of garlic bread. Oh, the garlic bread is adorable. And look, we've got some forks for the girls to eat. Oh, that's so cute. And my favorite part, the lemonade. Well, one of my favorite parts, but oh, the lemonade is so cute. Look at it. Look at it. The lemonade. Oh, I love the lemonade. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, now let's open up the bags. The little baggies. OMG, they just fell out of one. That one I had already opened accidentally. But yeah. There's little spaghettis. Look, look. 1, little 2, little 3 little spaghetti. They feel like spaghetti too. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. Now, let's open up the cheese grater. Cheese grater, cheese grater, cheese grater. Oh, that one fell out too. I had already opened those, so yeah. The little cheese grater is so cute. You can use the cheese to grate it. But we've not opened the cheese up yet. Okay, we can put the cheese on this, the cheese grater on this side. Now for the cheese! Cheese and cheese graters, they go together. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, there we go, I opened it. Oh, the cheese grater, the cheese is so cute. Oh, it's so cute, look at it, you can go. They should have like a pile of the shredded cheese, that'd be cute. Grate the cheese, grate the cheese, grate the cheese. Next, we'll open up, which one should we open up first? Let's open up the plates. The plates, the plates, the plates, the plates, the plates, the plates, the plates. Okay. Now let's open it up. This one will open. Oh, I got it open. Yay. Oh, these 2 little white plates. Oh, so cute. Let's put some spaghetti on it for the girls. You girls can have some spaghetti. Okay, wait, actually I'm not going to give this to them yet because we have to have the salad and the garlic bread. Let's open up the bread next. Okay, I opened it. Oh, the bread just like shooted out. Okay. Okay, the bread is so cute. Look at that. If you guys can see, I don't know if the camera can see, but there has these like tiny holes. I don't know if the camera can get it in, but there's these tiny holes, and the bread has this like stuff on the outside, and it's like ombre and goes into the inside. That makes it look like real bread. 2 slices of bread onto the plates. Okay, now salad time. It's salad time. Ooh, ow. Salad's open. Oh, these salads are so cute. Look at that, guys. There's lettuce, and the lettuce has texture, and the tomatoes. Lettuce, tomatoes, the lettuce has texture. And look, some of them are light green, some of them are dark green. That's so cute. It makes it look like real lettuce. Now let's put that on the plates. Oh, that is so, so cute. Look, we have these. Oh, dang it, the lettuce fell. We have these little plates of food for the girls to eat. I don't want it to fall, but so I'm holding it like this. Oop, oop. Okay, it's falling off. Okay, that one was a flop. We've got a lot more to open though still, so yep, it's not over yet. Now let's open the pot. It's open. OMG, guys, the pot is so adorable. Look, oh, the silver part is on the inside, but look at that. Oh, the pot. And then the lid goes on. Pot, lid. Maybe you could put cheese in it and cook the cheese. I don't know. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. I'm obsessed with it. Let's put some spaghetti in. Oh, that's really little spaghetti. I'm suspecting that someone ate a lot during dinner. Because there's very little spaghetti remaining. But that's okay. It's still super cute. Let's close the lid on that little pot. Okay, now forks. Let's open up the forks. There's this little thing here. Okay, the forks are open. Okay. Ow. Okay, oh, it's hard to slip open. OMG. It's hard to slip open. Oh, I got it. Okay, these little forks are so cute. like the salad and the spaghetti, we can put those on our plates so they can eat. Now, for the drinks, the lemonade. Okay. Oh, they fell out. Okay, we've got some little lemonade cups. There's these little cups with lemonade inside. Oh, that's so cute. The little lemonade cups. Okay, those are delicious. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, and that's all we've opened. We've opened the whole set. There's nothing inside. What? Okay, so yeah, see, I'm just showing you guys the inside of the box to show you that we opened up the whole thing. So now I'm gonna bring everything up in front of the camera as like a short review of what we opened. So I'm gonna put them all on plates. Dinner is served. Oh wait, guys, we didn't open one last thing. We totally forgot about the serving spoon. Let's open it up. Oh, slipped out. I guess I opened it from the bottom. Oh, this is so cute, guys. Look, spaghetti for you, and for you, and for you, and for you. Oh, we're on spaghetti. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna put these. I'm just organizing this up real quick so you guys can see everything. Because I'm just going to do like a quick walkthrough. Okay, how do I do the walkthrough on this? Because, well, like, okay, there's a problem here because I am recording this myself. I've put this against the couch and I'm recording this myself. So I don't think I'll be able to do it really well, but that's okay. So if you guys can see it, there's this spaghetti, and then there's it's kind of hard to see. So okay, yeah, there we go. That works perfectly. So yep, see that? I see that. You guys see that? There's like spaghetti, and then you can eat the spaghetti. Eat the spaghetti. I'm eating the spaghetti. And there's salad. It's all super cute. So basically what we got in this set is 2 salads, 3 spaghettis. One of the spaghettis is inside the pot. 2 lemonades, 2 breads, 1 cheese grater, 1 piece of cheese, 1 spatula thingy-bob, 1 pot. Oh, OMG, guys, I am so silly, actually. There was napkins in the set, and I forgot to open it. Because I dumped it all over the set, and I thought, oh, wait, that's it. But it wasn't it. So, yep, let's open up the napkins. Okay, here's the napkins. Oh, wait. I'm just gonna change up the camera a bit, actually. Dang it. Oh, there's 2 little napkins. That is so cute. So I'm gonna fold them up like this and put them under the plate to make it look fancy. So I'm just gonna fold these up and put them under the plate to make them look fancy schmancy. Okay, perfect. Now let's do our last like walkthrough thingy-mabob. So see, it says there's napkins. So what we got in the set again is 2 napkins, 2 garlic breads, 2 salads, 3 spaghettis, one's in here. 1 serving spoon, 2 forks, 1 cheese grater, 1 cheese, 1 pot lid, 1 pot, and then did I say 1 serving spoon? I don't know. 2 plates, 2 lemonades, 2 napkins. And that's all we got. And and we also got this table thing, but yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button. You'll get like notifications of whenever I release a new video. But anyways, bye for now.